Hi everyone, I hope you're doing absolutely good. I know it's been forever since I last did this. In fact, it's been a back and forth journey between us. And a couple hours ago, I was just checking when was my last upload. And to be precise, it was 2.5 years ago. So today, I decided, let's make one. So here I am. With that being said, let's get started. It's September and so is the festive season right around the corner. And like every year, Flipkart is back with its Big Billion Days. And you must have heard about the iPhone 13 discount during this sale because Flipkart managed to heavily market it everywhere possible, and they teased a price tag of under Rs 50,000 for the base 128GB variant. But do you really think you'll be able to get this deal? The short answer is not really. And the long answer is on 22nd September, that is the Thursday at 12 am, Flipkart did launch this sale exclusively for Flipkart Plus members only. And the phone was definitely available for 49,900. But you know for how long? Not more than a minute. And out of the lakhs and lakhs of people who did make an order, only 50 or less than that managed to did place an order. Rest of them did try making an order and they did get their payments to go through, but the seller declined or cancelled their order within half an hour. And this might happen with you also. So once you make the payment, your money is stuck for 3 to 7 days, and in those days you might just miss out on the Amazon Great Indian Festival deals as well. So my recommendation is, unless and until you don't have extra cash laying around where you can play this sale game, don't end up putting your money in Flipkart's iPhone 13 sale. So that's it for this quick little informative video. I hope you end up getting the best deal and you use your money wisely. And also, thank you so much for sticking by this long. I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully sooner than you think. Fingers crossed. Until then, bye bye.